Hello and welcome back to another vlog. So this vlog is gonna be more of the informative type, but a little bit still like a vlog because I don't want to make it just the boring informative type. Today I'm gonna talk about it's T-2 days before we actually board a cruise, so I thought maybe I'll share some of the tips and tricks with you guys about what gadgets do we really like to carry when we go on our travel vacations, and how do we actually prepare, especially for a cruise vacation, because it is very different than any other vacation that you go to. Like if you fly out, it's very different than boarding a cruise and how to prepare for that. So this video is primarily dedicated about how do we prepare with our gadgets and some of the prep work we do before we board the cruise. So by the way, let me show you one more thing. Marvel got a really nice bath, so he is sleeping, and Tanya is lying down over here right next to me. So that is all the prep that I'm gonna take you with me and show you guys what and how we actually prepare for the cruise vacation. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. Number one, I want to show you, and I'm gonna put the link of everything in the description box below. Number one, I want to show you a few things that I ordered because when you go on a cruise, you get a room key, and that room key becomes the truth for the entirety of the cruise. Okay, and mostly when you're on the pool deck on the cruise, or you're getting off the cruise, what you want is like to be nothing in the hand, just your camera and your selfie stick or something like that. So that's why we ordered these waterproof holders that you can actually wear, or you can just put it in your it's a clip-on over here, so you can detach this. You can keep this just in your pocket, or you can just wear this so you don't lose your room keys. These are not just room keys. If you are the first time cruiser, you have to keep in mind that these are everything for you. These are your identity basically, so ID cards for your cruise. So very important. These are waterproof, so these are the best. Even if you are on the pool deck splashing in the water, nothing gets in. Second important thing is when you are going on a cruise, you get something which is your tags. Now your tags, let me show you. Your tags look something like this. Okay, it states your deck number, it states your room number, and there's a way to fold these tags. You can see do not cut written over here, so you have to like fold this here and fold this here and then fold like this, so that once it is like this, both sides reflects your room number and your deck number. Now once you have folded these tags, I ordered these little rings and tag holders. So you can see if I reverse this, both sides reflects my room number and my deck number, and this is a ring that you open from here and you can put it in your luggage tag. So that way this is also waterproof, and it's easy to be on your tag, because when you go, you drop your luggage, you board the cruise, and they finally bring your luggage and leave it outside your room number. So you don't have to staple the paper or it gets torn while they bring it. It's less hassle. So I'll put the link of everything in the description box below. This was like a pack of 4 along with the room keys, so it was 6 things we got as a package for cruise traveling, back tags and your room keys. So that was it. Another small thing that we like to do is I have this super cool Avengers folder, and I always attach our set sail pass and our excursion printouts, because you don't know if your phone battery is dying or something, you don't want to be in trouble. So I always keep an extra. Tanya and I always have everything in our books if you use iPhone. So all PDFs are saved in our phone as well, but this is just one other way to keep an extra and carry everything. So that was pretty much about how we actually like to prepare, and I think Marvel just will take over from here and show you everything else. Marvel, do you want to say hi to everybody and tell that you have a bathing time today? Did you have a good bathing time? Can you sit? Sit. Yes. Now can you tell everybody that you have a bathing time? Did you bathe today? And you were so pretty today? Where are you running away? Well, anyways, that was that, and let's get started with the gadgets. Cool beans. So our number 2 is our gadgets, more important part of your travel vacations. And so for gadgets, what we like to carry, that's what I'm going to show you. Necessarily there you may not have all these gadgets and you don't have to go and buy them, but if you have them, then you can take some advice, or you can give how you like to do in the comment section. Let me know what gadgets do you like to carry. So I'm gonna just show you some of my favorite finds that I have. The first of all is my GoPro box. So this is very compact. I really love it. I throw it in my backpack because I always carry a backpack with me, and Tanya carries her backpack. So this is like the super compact thing that I can always have in my backpack. If I open it, it's super awesome, as you can see. Yes. So I'm gonna show you what everything is. So if you see, this is the GoPro. This is the head strap. So to put the GoPro on your head. This is an extra battery. This is the GoPro, the original mount that comes in, and this is the GoPro stick that also converts into a stand. Basically. But a very good 3-point selfie stick, because it doesn't let when you shoot, it doesn't let your arm come into the picture, because it has 3 points where it gets pulled from, and it's really compact. So let me show you, give you a closer look. So this is the awesome selfie stick. So we put our GoPro in here and just keep it like that for the whole trip. Second thing, we keep our GoPro in the super suit. If you are a GoPro user, you will know that this is a super suit, so that it can go more into the water. Now this one, I'll have to change the door of it, the back of it, because this is open at this point, and I'll put the one that actually lets you go into the water. So that is that. And then this is the head strap that I was talking about. It's really easy. You just have it like this. You mount your GoPro here, and then you just wear it like this. So you have your GoPro over here mounted, and then you can just do whatever you really want to do. So this is really cool. I always find it very interesting to wear in if you're going snorkeling, you're going scuba diving, whatever you're doing. This and I think the chest strap is the best that I find, and that I think. But we don't have the chest strap. I mostly use the head strap where I can. And then we have a double battery charger, so that both our batteries are charged. One thing I will tell you is that we charge our batteries one day before we full charge them, keep everything in here, and we are ready to go. We have 2 memory cards. We have a 64 gigs that is in the GoPro, and then I have a 128 gig card. So this is a 64 gig card that basically goes in the GoPro, and then I have a 128 gigs card that is in this camera from where I'm shooting, Canon G7X. That's our another favorite thing that we take, and the card in that is this one. If you really want to know, this is the latest SanDisk card. It's called Extreme A2 128 gigs. With 128 gigs, you roughly get 600 minutes of record time, which is full HD. And its reading speed is up to 160 megabyte per second and 90 megabyte per second of writing speed. This card is specially designed for a good quality videos, captures and transfers. So that is why this is the latest card, the A2 chip that came out. So at least when I bought it. So this was the real deal in the market, as some would say. You can see it does say it is good for 4K. It is good for your shooting with drones and everything, and it is good for Androids. So it's like basically one of the best thing. So that is the card that we use in Canon G7X. And one of the most interesting find is our selfie stick. Yes, this is our selfie stick. So I'll again put the link in the description box below. We really love this. We have just tried taking a couple of pictures from this yet. Here is the mount. Let me show you closely. Here's the mount that you rotate, and as you rotate it loosen up, and then you can just close this and it becomes a selfie stick. Right now, another good thing is that it all, as you saw, that it also becomes a tripod. So since it's just me and Tanya traveling, and you don't have anybody else, if you want to take picture of both of us, we really love this selfie stick. Another good thing is that selfie stick is 51-inch high, so like any other tripod, it can like keep going. See, so it's like really tall, 51-inch tall selfie stick. I didn't even open the third one, and it's pretty stable for its weight and you know everything. If you're in a windy area, I feel we haven't tried it in the rough conditions yet, but if you're in a windy area, you might want to try with your phone and just keep a watch so that it doesn't get flew away by the wind. So but after this trip I can tell you more about this. Another great thing we like about is, and there is this remote here, you can leave it there and take the pictures. There's a little camera button over here, or you can just take it out, and it is up to it has quite a bit of range, so you can literally go 1, 2, 3 meters, 5 meters away from your stick and you can take a picture. Okay, I think it's up to 10 meters, so that is really cool. And pairing is really simple. It barely took 30 seconds for me to pair Tanya's phone with this, which is, for your information, iPhone XS Max, and it paired really fast. So I really personally love this selfie stick. I wouldn't say that it's the best quality. It's a little jiggly, and it's, you may have to just be a little bit delicate and not throw it, but it's good, you know, big bang for your buck kind of thing. So really love this. Also, one more thing that you would like about this is that this comes off and it has a universal screw, so the camera could actually fit on the selfie stick as well. And it comes with a bag that you can throw your selfie stick into a bag and just put it in your backpack, or just carry it by itself. That is that. So to summarize, my favorite gadgets are the selfie stick. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. GoPro with the head strap and the stick that comes with the 3 joints so that your hand is not in the picture when you're recording. That's the best part of it. And the new SanDisk card that I'm using for Canon G7X, and the other card that I'm using for GoPro, and with the charged batteries. I have a double charger for both of my batteries, so we have 2 batteries for both our G7X as well as GoPro, so they are always charged, both batteries. And one thing, as I told you, we like to do is we charge everything, every gadget. In addition to this, we always take our laptop. It goes without saying, we'll have to transfer videos in there. We may not be able to upload them, but we'll at least edit them, and we'll then come back. You'll get a bunch of videos, travel vlogs, of how we did what we did for our cruise vacation. So so this was basically it. This was it, what we like, how I like to take all our gadgets, our selfie sticks, or GoPros, or Canon G7X, and Tanya's phone. That's the best, because it's 10s Max. I really like the camera. It captures pretty good in the light, low light. It do a decent job when you're traveling. So definitely that's a plus. So I think that is it. I'll try to put as much information in the description box along with the links of the new things that I got, like my camera and things. But if you have any questions, make sure you comment and ask, and make sure that you also comment what are some of the favorite tools and toys and gadgets that you like to take when you go on a travel vacation. And also, if you have any questions regarding for the cruise vacation things I showed, such as this tags, paper tags, and set sail pass, let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer. Cruising is one of the best thing that we both love, and we are trying to make it a thing that, you know, every year we can do probably and share more and more with you guys. So we'll have some more amazing videos about cruising tips and tricks, as well as what to pack. So keep an eye out on our next video, which is gonna be how to pack for a cruise vacation for men and women. So with that, I will say you bye-bye, and I'll see you in our next amazing informative vlogs, as well as amazing vacation vlogs on your way. So keep an eye out. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notification every time this amazing video comes out. And comment, like, share, subscribe. Until our next video, bye-bye.